Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's vendor master file tip of the week, I should have put a question mark around new scam alert, but it kind of is, but it's coworker credit card fraud, right? And so I spend my time looking for new scam alerts so I can publish them so you guys know what to look out for, right? And it's been a long day. I don't know about you, but it's 9 o'clock at night and I am still working. And I just thought this was funny. It came up in my alerts, but it was more funny than scam. But you know what? It can happen. And dog it, don't we have enough to worry about with fraudsters trying to divert our vendor payments? Now we have to worry about coworkers and credit card fraud. So let me tell the very quick story of what happened. So apparently all the coworkers went out to a restaurant. You know that happens. They actually went to a Chili's. Well, coworker A dropped her wallet at a restaurant and right, nobody could find it. She couldn't find it, so she went home. Unbeknownst to her, coworker B picked it up, said nothing. But when she noticed that, looked at her bank statements later and noticed that there were some charges on it, she told the police, and the police went to those stores, and you know they can check the surveillance camera. So what did they see? They saw coworker B using the credit cards in those stores, right, with the cameras. And I put Walmart, but I don't know if it was a Walmart. In any event, they found him there. And as a matter of fact, he even had on a Chili's hat. But the funny thing is he bought some beer and right, that was probably gone. So when the police went to his house, they couldn't confiscate that. But he also bought a pumpkin and he carved the pumpkin, right? It was around Halloween. He carved the pumpkin. So they took the pumpkin into evidence. I just thought that was the funniest thing. Any event, hopefully you did too. It's a great breakup of your day. But if you want some actual new scam alerts, I really do post probably about 2 to 3, maybe more, depending on the week per week. And so I will put the link in the description where you can go and look at all the new scam alerts that I've posted, or you can sign up to be notified whenever I post scam alerts. All right, so enough fun for today. If you like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at deborarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, fines, and bad vendor data. Now, if you'd like over 115 annual hours of training for your vendor team, check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.deborarrichardson.com. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.